Hey, what is up, guys? It is your dude, your homie, your guy, Cameron Garrett, back with another video. And today, we'll be burping for 10 minutes straight, okay? I'm very cold, even though it is like 70 degrees inside my house. And I'm still cold. I don't know why. My room is always cold. I don't get it. It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't. Gosh. Alright, so subscribe if you like these videos, and subscribe if you don't like these videos. Like this video if you want. Comment down below what videos you would like to see from me. Please comment down below that. I need to know. I really want to know. Please, just thank you.
That's nasty.
Also, go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram. It's just Camden Garris. And you'll see like a weird kind of funny photo. It's like a Christmas type photo. I'll put in a picture right now. Alright, yeah. And also follow my clothing brand. It's _future_minds on Instagram. Here's a picture of the cover right now. Alright, so go follow those two and follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is CamdenGarrett17. And yeah. Anyways, let's just get on to this video because it will be a long video. Hopefully it's just 10 minutes, not like 15. Okay, I got some. Is this Sprite? No, it's not Sprite. Pepsi. It's really good, and we'll be burping for 10 minutes straight. So let me pull up 10 minutes timer. And let's get on to this video. I will do a time lapse of some. Alright. Okay. So this video isn't that long and you guys aren't going to get bored. Okay. And I know I have a giant pimple right there. Just please don't look at it, even though it's like right there. I don't know. It's like under the skin and it's been messing with me and it hurts and I don't like it. Okay. Alright, I started the timer, and let's get on to the video. I'm like literally choking. We're at 5 minutes now. Halfway. Don't do this at home, please. I'm literally choking, and it's bad. Please subscribe and like. Please. Alright, that's the timer. We just did that for 10 minutes straight. I want to puke so bad, but I'm probably not going to. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below. You guys are amazing, and I will see you guys in my next video. It is your boy, Camden Garris, checking out for now, and peace!